Wi-Fi module includes 4 parts: signal cable, power supply, connection cable, Wi-Fi module. Open the cover of the Wi-Fi module, plug in the signal wires and tighten it. Connect the red wire on positive plus sign and the white wire on negative minus sign, then close the cover. Open the cover of the connecting lines. When connecting the signal cable, pay attention to the position of the red line and the white line. The red end is connected to the A of the connection line and the other end is connected to the plus sign of the main control board. The white end is connected to the connection line B end. The other end is connected to the minus sign of the main control board. The power plug is connected to a 230 volts power supply. The black and white line of the power cord is connected to the plus sign of the connection line, and the black line is connected to the minus sign of the connection line. Please turn on the power and confirm that the module is flashing. Please scan the QR code to download the app. Enter the app landing page. Click the new user to register with the mobile phone number or email. After successful registration, enter the username and password and click to log in. After entering My Device, click the plus button in the upper left corner to enter the Add Device page. The above box will display the name of the Wi-Fi currently connected to the phone. Enter the Wi-Fi password. First, gently press the raised button of the connection line, and then click Add Device until it shows that the connection is successful. Then click the arrow. You can see the currently connected app is displayed in the list.